Hi guys, it's Monty, the polka dot pine cone. I am on today to do the drawing for the mini album book giveaway envelope book thing that I made. I had shared this last week on my flashback, just kind of showing some old things that I had made when I first started, and I had sold kits to these things, and I had one left, and I thought, you know what, why not have a drawing and gift it to somebody who might want to try it out. So again, it will come with all the stuff that I showed to make this envelope album. So it's got all the envelopes back here, the papers, ribbons, trims, flowers, pom-pom trim, the butterfly, the binder rings. I mean, everything that you need to create that is in there, the ribbons, everything. So, and then the flowers, the base papers for the pull-out, the tag pull-outs and stuff. So anyway, real quickly, I am going to draw. There was 8 comments on that. I said everybody who was interested in winning it, leave a comment and I would pick one. So I am going to pick one and see who it is. Oops, it fell out of my hand. There it is. And it is Kathy O'Sullivan. So Kathy, you won this kit to try out. I don't have your address, so if you would send me an email with your address. My email is thepolkadotpinecone@gmail.com. So if you'll email me with your address, I will send this kit out to you, and you can make this album, or not. You could use it for other things. Just kind of do whatever you want to do with it. Make the album like it is, add things to it, change it up, just totally use it for something else, whatever you want to do. So anyway, thank you for everybody who commented, and that I appreciate you guys watching the channel. I thought I might do a couple more, share a couple more that I made in the past. So I'm going to do a real quick flip through on a couple of those. This one was kind of inspired by the Twilight series, so that's kind of the colors and stuff I was going for. I think I might have used some of the papers from that collection. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the colors. Anyway, I got, this one is a, let's see, which one is this one? So I have the front and the back cover I made using some chipboard banner pieces that I had. I had like whole packs of these, and I wanted to use some up. So anyway, my front and back pieces are just these real thick chipboard banner pieces. The inside, okay, this inside is made with paper bags. So the bases for these are paper bags, and then the photo album thing slides out. Hopefully you can see all this. Maybe I'm too close. Let me back out a little bit and see if you can see better. Yeah, okay. Okay, so here's the front page. I got this big huge key. I got burlap and black and tulle, paper flowers, just kind of a natural color mini clothespin. And then on my rings I have these some tulle and these dark colors tied on here. I got like a little corner, this glitter corner piece up here at the top. I got like a tag base back here and some little dots there. Okay, and then this is a stick pin, I believe. Yeah, that's a stick pin that I made. Just glued some stuff on. Okay, so Then the pages inside are, like I say, paper bags. So this one, the base is, they're kind of an off-white paper bag. And then I layered up a black paper, and then this, you know, pattern paper. I think this is my mind's eye paper. Again, now that I'm looking at it, yeah, it's my mind's eye paper. And then this one just has a piece of tulle tie in the bottom. And then each one has a pull-out. This has a brad up here. I can't remember if I put brads on. Oh, no, I don't think I did. Anyway, and then this cut apart. So you can put, you know, a photo or, you know, whatever you want to add to it. So there's that one. Here's the next page over here. And you can stick your stuff down behind there. Here's a flower cut out of the Tim Holtz flower die. I cut them out of this burlap type material. And then just a heart up here. These is both layered again. Here's this one. Some just simple decorating on this. Because I was not, you know, I just kind of did the base. And this one has layered like that, and it pulls out. Okay, here's the next page. Some ribbon. You can tuck your stuff down in behind here. I stamped this balloon, added some trim and a flower, paper flower. This one here, I love this. I love black and white stripe. Put a little pocket, and then stamped on it, be continued. Did a stamp die, some ribbon. And then this I love. I still love this. This is Tim Holtz, like film strip trim. Love this. And then a little flower right there. And then this again has a pull out, and I stamped along the edge, just a little like a ruler type thing. Back page. This page has you know, like a pattern, sewing pattern. And then I stamped this kind of, whatever you call that, dress form thing on there, and cut it out, fussy cut it. This one has a half pocket here, some trim on the bottom, this stamp thing, and then I added two tags that stick in here to either add a picture on or journal or whatever it is you want to add on. Then again, it's got the pull out that I stamped on the edge. This page got a few layers in the swirly. Then this I tagged on a piece. This was like a big banner piece with a bunch of these. I cut one piece off and strung it across here, and then decorated the outside of this burlap bag. So, you know, you could tuck a little, you know, memorabilia or whatever in there. Okay, then this one. This has got another piece of the Tim Holtz flower die cut right there. Some other flowers laying on top. Some washi tape layered on the end of this one. Then a little tiny piece of twine tied on the end. And then it all goes back in the paper bag. There's the last page layered up. Just some red twine and a bow you can stick under there. And then there's the banner piece. And that's it. And this I punched with my Bind It All, Zutter Bind It All. I bought years and years ago. So this is real cool for making books. So you can use this, and you buy the, you know, like little notebook wire stuff that threads through those. And it comes in all different sizes and colors and stuff. I didn't use it on this one. I just put 2 ring holders through a couple of, you know, the holes. I don't know if you guys, let me show you my Bind It All real quick. So this is what it looks like. And you put your paper in here and you press, and it makes the, you know, all the little cuts in it. So you can use it for bookmaking and album making and stuff. So anyway, just want to share another old project with you guys, reminiscing. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Again, Kathy O'Sullivan, email me your address so I can get that prize mailed off to you. Thanks for watching and your support, guys. Take care. Bye.